I mean these among the countless celestial bodies that dance around our solar system, one name stands out with a hint of foreboding: Bennu. Bennu, a carbonaceous asteroid, has been the subject of much attention and concern. Why? Because it's on a potential collision course with Earth. Discovered in 1999, Bennu has been under the watchful eyes of astronomers and scientists, orbiting the Sun every 436.6 days. It's not just its size that's impressive, but its potential to impact our planet. If Bennu were to collide with Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. The energy released would be equivalent to 24 nuclear bombs. But what are the odds? Current studies suggest a 1 in 2,700 chance of Bennu impacting Earth between 2175 and 2199. So how do we keep tabs on this celestial traveler? Advanced telescopes and space missions like OSIRIS-REx have been deployed to study Bennu up close. By analyzing samples from Bennu, scientists hope to understand its composition, structure, and potential vulnerabilities. This knowledge could be pivotal in devising strategies to divert or mitigate a potential impact. The global community isn't just sitting idle. Collaborative efforts are underway to monitor, study, and prepare for any potential asteroid threats, with Bennu being a prime focus. While Bennu remains a symbol of the unpredictable nature of space, it also represents humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and our ability to come together in the face of potential adversity. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. With vigilance, collaboration, and scientific ingenuity, we stand prepared for whatever the cosmos may throw our way.